guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm opening this Deluxe mystery box from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I am so excited to finally open this. Hold on, my cat is trying to eat a light. Hello, up. Okay. So I'm super excited to open this gigantic box. Okay, so first I'm going to have to cut it open because there's a lot of tape on it. This is what it looks like. So first, we have a pop socket. Then I got a skin frost in lavender snow. Okay, so I got a skin frost in lavender snow. I'm super excited about this actually. Oh, look at how beautiful that is. And look how big it is. I love it. So that's what that looks like. It is so beautiful. I'm super excited about this actually. That is the second item. Third item is a Supreme Frost in Frozen Peach. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, how pretty this is. I'm so excited about this. I really wanted this. I actually saw this the other day and I was like, oh, this is so beautiful. So that is what that one looks like. I don't know if you can see it as well. That lavender one, man, it is intense, but I'm so excited I got this. Pretty impressed with the colors so far. Next, I got Posh Spice, which is one of my absolute favorite colors, which is kind of funny because I've been using that one a lot. So getting a new one is exciting. This color is beautiful. I love it so much. It's such a good color. Okay, so far super impressed. All right, we got Diamond. Wow, that's pretty. Ooh, that's a beautiful color. Look at that one. I love it. I'm so far pretty about this box. We got Dream House. Open. Wow, that's pretty. Oh my goodness. This one's a little thick, but look at that. I'm all about the liquid lipstick though. This is Unicorn Blood. Lip liner. Come out. Look at this. It is so cute. Holy crepes. I don't have any of his lip liners actually. Ooh. I'm actually super excited. I love this. This is really cute. Holy crap. This box has been pretty bomb so far. Not gonna lie. Really bomb so far. Okay, and then I got a Jeffree's Girl bullet lipstick, which I don't have any of these. So, my first one, and it's pink. Ooh. I really like this packaging. It's so cute. So that's Jeffree's Girl. So it's very Valentine's-y. Last but not least, Can't Relate. This is so cute. Is that small? Yeah. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I got a t-shirt, a lipstick bullet, 3 liquid lipsticks, a lip liner, a Supreme Frost, and a skin frost, and a pop socket. That's pretty good. So the total value of this box is $42. I actually don't know how much the lip liners are because I've never looked at them. But I actually own Unicorn Blood too, so it's kind of funny. So 16. So this box retails at about $179. That's a pretty good amount for $75. I'm about it. And the colors are great. Like, I got some colors I wouldn't actually purchase. This pink one and this pink one because I don't wear pink often. But I can do some pretty bomb looks with this super shiny Barbie pink. I really like this color actually. I haven't worn colors like this in a long time, but I'm about it. But yeah, I'm super stoked with this box actually. There's a lot of great things in here that some of it I wouldn't buy, and I'm glad I got it because I play it more safe. I buy more like nude colors and all that stuff. So this is my hand. That was my deluxe box. So I think it was totally worth it. I'm super happy with this. I'm so excited to try out the Skin Frosts. I just got my first 2 for Christmas. I got the mint condition and something else. I can't remember the color. I'll have to look. I don't think it's lavender snow. Who knows? I'll know later when I go look. But I'm super excited about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you got a mystery box, you should comment below and tell me what you got in yours. If you got any of the same things, if you got totally different things, or if you liked your box or not, if you like the colors that you got. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!